Hey there, today I have this 2-pack of multifunction scissors or trauma shears. These are sent over to me from the brand and they're really cool because they collapse down to this. And when they're needed, all you do is open them up and they are ready to go. Let's go over all the things that these scissors can do. The first thing, of course, is that they are scissors, so they are perfect for cutting things like bandages. Here you have the carbide glass breaker. So this tucks up into this part of the scissors, but it folds down and you have an oxygen tank wrench as well as a strap cutter here. This side also has a small ruler measuring 5 centimeters. On this side, you have your ring cutter here, as well as your belt clip here. To close the scissors up, there is a triangle area here, as well as here. So you would just push that in, and then that side will open back, and then this side will do the same thing, and then all you do is enclose them together and they are closed, ready to go for next time. Once you're done with them and they're folded up, they're easy to put on your belt using the clip on the scissors themselves, or they also provide a holster where you can clip it to your belt. If you're looking for something that is going to be great to keep at home and as well as keep one in the car, then I hope this video helps you decide on if these are a good fit for you.